To say that I'm excited about this one is a massive understatement. And if you stick on that side, I promise to do my absolute best when it comes to just bring you along with me on this journey. What journey, you might ask? Well, for the keen-eyed of you probably saw in the background certain things and read the title, so I'll do my best to bring you with me whilst I set up a high-end sim racing setup, but still on a budget. It isn't like a crazy high-end sim racing setup, is attainable, but still a bit crazy. This ain't no G29 setup. So let's get cracking. Alright, so it has been 3 hours since all the unboxings happened and the wheel is set up. I haven't done much. The only thing I've made sure is that all the settings are working okay and that I have a decent enough preset in game. We're going to be trying this on F1 2021, which I haven't played for a couple months. So I'm not too sure what to expect here. I think the settings should be good. And this is it. This will be the first ever lap with this wheel. Oh my god.
And the difference from the Logitech G29 is insane. Oh, that was a mess. Oh my god, did you see that? Catching the... I don't think I would have caught this on my old wheel. That was crazy. You can feel all the bumps in the surface. Like, I'm not even sure I knew these bumps were here before. It's gonna be the one.
Right, I'm gonna stop recording this now, and I think I'll get back to you in like 5-6 hours of this.
That was not ideal. Okay, doing very good. Very good. Probably the best lap yet. I mean, I can't really even wipe the smile off my face. This just feels incredible. Oh my god, 146. We take those, I mean. Alright, I'll even keep this camera rolling for a while, just to let you know that, okay, if you were expecting a wheel like this and the setup to fundamentally change what playing a racing game is for you, you probably set your expectations a little too high, in the sense that if you don't particularly enjoy the fight and the drive to constantly improve every little sector a little bit, and the racecraft that you can learn and improve on how to overtake, when to overtake, how to use all the assists in the case of F1 game, when you can boost with the overtake, or play the DRS game, or strategies in the pits, or I don't know, or in different games you have these different mechanics. If you don't enjoy them now playing on controller, or if you don't enjoy them playing on a Logitech G29, for example, or any other lower end wheel, a setup like this isn't gonna fundamentally change the game. But I mean, in comparison, the G29 is a toy. That's all I have to say. The feel of the wheel, the power of the motor, and just, I don't know. This cockpit, for example, isn't the sturdiest, as you probably have seen. There's a little bit of play here, not as much as you probably would expect, particularly since I tightened this strap on the side and used the black strap that you're supposed to use on the bottom. I used it on the right side. It's definitely much firmer than it is normally, but there's definitely a little bit of play here. But I kind of think like it sort of makes it work better somehow. You feel a lot of the vibrations on the curbs on the entire seat just through the power of the wheel. Yes, it probably dampens a little bit of the force, but man, does it feel good. I mean, I have to do a lot more testing over the weekend and just, I don't know, try to really get to grips with how this feels. But man, am I impressed that I don't think I want to stop playing. So a huge thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I'll probably make a follow-up on this, just focusing on a little bit of the details and the finer things that you can tweak in your setup and things that you probably should consider in the Fanatec ecosystem when it comes to just picking the gear itself. But let me know if you're interested in that, because it definitely is a little bit outside of what we usually do on this channel. But it's a passion of mine that I'm super happy to finally be able to have somewhat of a dedicated rig to explore more often, instead of just the good old G29 clamped onto the table with the pedals constantly moving. And I barely even talked about the pedals on this, because I don't know, it's too much excitement. But yeah, I'll leave something for a future video. A huge thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't hesitate to subscribe down below. Usually we have tech and me enjoying tech and trying to share that passion with you through that camera. Yeah, bye. Usually it's a bit closer, but bye.